Some football now. Waterhouse will continue their search for another title in the JFF Women's Premier League when they take on Olympic Gardens in the first of a doubleheader at the Prison Oval in St. Catherine on Sunday. In the day's second game will feature last season's beaten finalist Cavalier facing Arnett Gardens at 3:30. Let's go to Karen Madden now for our preview.
Since winning the mid-season final, Waterhouse lost their inspirational captain Terania Plum Plum Clark, who was killed last month. But on the field, the defending champions continue to dominate, getting to the semi-final by crushing Fraser's Whip 10-1 in last weekend's quarter-final. Next in the Jewsland-based team's way is Olympic Gardens, who also made it to this stage last season and have so far been enjoying a good run. In last weekend's quarter-final, Olympic got by a young Real Mona team 6-2 to advance to the last four. Meanwhile, in the day's second semi-final, last year's beaten finalist Cavalier will go up against Arnett Gardens. These two have been building up a rivalry after Cavalier knocked out Arnett at the semi-final stage last year. This season, they have one win each in head-to-head battles, with Cavalier defeating Arnett in their first outing before Arnett turned the tables on them, beating them in the second round. Cavalier, however, had a hard-fought 3-1 win over UWI last week, while Arnett Gardens easily brushed aside Real Mobay 7-0 en route to the semi-final round. The teams will meet again next weekend for the second leg semi-final. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.